සරල ඉංග්‍රීසි වාක්‍ය 10ක්. Is he still bathing? ඔහු තාමත් නානවද? Is he still bathing? Who took my pen? කවුද මගේ පෑන ගත්තේ? Who took my pen? Your letter was posted yesterday. ඔයාගේ ලියුම ඊයේ තැපැල් කළා. Your letter was posted yesterday. My pen is more expensive than yours. මගේ පෑන ඔයාගේකට වඩා ගණන්. My pen is more expensive than yours. It is going to rain. Don't wash the clothes. අද වහින්න එනවා. රෙදි හොදන්න එපා. It is going to rain. Don't wash the clothes. I completely forgot about it. මට ඒක එහෙම පිටින්ම අමතක වුණා. I completely forgot about it. How many children went on the trip? විනෝද චාරිකාවට ළමයි කී දෙනෙක් ගියාද? How many children went on the trip? Geeta is playing volleyball now. Geeta දැන් volleyball ගහනවා. Geeta is playing volleyball now. He is possibly at home today. ඔහු අද ගෙදර ඉන්නවා වෙන්න පුළුවන්. He is possibly at home today. I am going to see the match today. මම අද මැච් එක බලන්න යනවා. I am going to see the match today. Thank you.